Hello students, in this class I will be explaining about water. I will be explaining you about water. So let's study. If you know about water, question from there also comes in your exam. So let's start. Actually, water water is present on the earth as 70%. Means our earth has what, 70% water, and the land is only 30%. Okay, now there is a question that seawater contains a lot of water is found in river, lakes, ponds, seawater. Even in ocean we find water. So there are various sources of water, but people tell not to use sea water for drinking. Suppose there is a sea. Okay, so seawater is not fit for drinking. Why seawater is not fit for drinking? I am writing the reason. Because seawater is salty. If you eat a lot of salt, that will do harm to your body. That's why we don't use seawater for drinking. Seawater is not used for drinking as it is very salty. And if you go to a place like sea beach, and if you take some water of sea and evaporate that, you will find salt over there. You don't have to buy salt if you do this, but it is very far away. It will take a lot of time. That's why we don't use this method. Okay, our home sometimes we get supply of pure water by some purifiers, or also some tap are there from where pure water comes, which we can drink. Okay, we can drink, wash, bath, and so on. Now the water can be of two types. Okay, the water can be of two types. Before that, I am telling you about what is the chemical formula of water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. Means the ratio, its ratio is 2:1 by volume. Okay, you see there are two hydrogen. So how many volume of hydrogen is there? 2, and there is 1 volume of oxygen. So that's why 2:1 is the ratio of water by volume. And by weight, if you take weight, its weight will be 2, and its weight is already 16. We can cut this by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. So 1:8 means ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water is 2:1 by volume and 1:8 by weight. Okay, this is the thing. You can see it now. I'm erasing it. Now I'll tell you something more about water, that there are two types of water which we can get in our home. So water can be categorized into two types based on whether it is hard water or soft water. There are two types of water. One is hard water and the other is soft water. So what this hard water doesn't let us to wash the clothes. Means this hard water will not let us clean the clothes by using water. So why? Because it does not form lather with soap. It does not form lather with soap. Okay, so that's why hard water is not fit for washing clothes or drinking, because it does not form lather easily with soap, so it will not be used for washing the clothes. Second point is, I am telling you the thing. Suppose in your home there is no soft water, there is only hard water, and you have to wash the clothes. Then what you will do? It will not give lather. Okay, so what happens then? At that time we can use detergents. If you use any detergent of any company, then that will help you wash the clothes. for this reason we buy detergents, because detergent works even in hard water. So detergents can help us in washing the clothes, even in hard water. Now one more thing I want to write, why hard water is hard, why hard water is so. So it consists of bicarbonates, chlorides, sulfates of calcium, magnesium and iron, which will make the water hard. So it consists of bicarbonate, chloride, sulfates of calcium, magnesium, iron, which will make the water hard. Now let us move to the soft water. Soft water, you have to just know that it is a very good type of water. It gives lather with soap. Okay, so this all was about water. And one more thing I want to tell you, that water, even in our body 70% of our body is made up of water. Thanks.